How to plant philodendron plants in pots as ornamental plants at home. Philodendron is a kind of plant of the Araceae. Philodendron plant has many species. Philodendron is found in many tropical forests such as Indonesia and usually grow in moist, such as swamps, river banks to the roadside. Because of the beauty and color of the leaves, philodendron is much loved by lovers of ornamental plants, either as ornamental plants in the room or yard or planting. Philodendron burgundy, Philodendron florida, Philodendron hastatum, Philodendron hastatum, Philodendron caudatum, Philodendron soledad, Philodendron black cardinal and Philodendron cherry red. Scientific classification of philodendron plant. Kingdom, Platy. Order, Alismatile. Family, Araceae. Subfamily, Aroidae. Nation, Philodendron. Genus, Philodendron. If you want to grow this plant, it is advisable to plant it in pots to make it look more attractive. Here's how to plant the philodendron plant as a plants in the house more. 1. Selection of planting pot. The selection of pots is very important because it is a place to grow plants that we will plant. Choose a pot that matches the size of the plants we will plant. There are various types of pots ranging from clay pots, plastic pots, cement pots, porcelain pots and so forth. 2. Preparation of planting media. Philodendron includes plants that require porous media. Planting media used to grow this philodendron must be fertile, loose, and rich in organic matter. Other conditions that have a degree of acidity or phase about 6.5 to 7. To obtain the ideal planting medium required some materials such as soil, sand, fuel husk, ferns, cocoa pea, compost, manure, and humus. But soil is the most common material used as a growing medium. Good soil is topsoil or topsoil, because it is loose, fertile, and contains lots of organic matter. Sand should have slightly grainy and larger grains to aid in air circulation and remove excess water. Before use, the sand should be washed and dry in the sun. Manure that will be used can come from cow dung, chicken or goat. However, it should be noted, the dirt needs to be processed first so that the decomposition of the substance stops or until the dirt is not smelly, hot, texture crumbs or dry, and brown. Compost is a fertilizer derived from the weathering of the remaining to the rest of the plant, leaves, grass and garbage. Compost fertilizer is also preferably already ripe or has a fine texture and brown to prevent fungus or bacteria. Manure and humus sterilized by steaming for 0.5 to 1 hour. 3. How to plant and maintain philodendron. Philodendron plants can be propagated in two ways, by way of cuttings and ways of crossing. But generally used is the way of cutting or cutting because it is considered more effective. Cutting of philodendron plants should be done on healthy plants and have brown stems. Cutting of stems can be done using a knife. Cut the stem at least 3 to 5 centimeters. But make sure the stem is cut as buds already have shoots. After that, planting stems on the sand planting medium. We recommend sand washed first. After that plant and give water. Try not to give too much water because it can cause decay in plants. Once the plant grows and roots, it can be directly transferred to a pot medium containing a mixture of soil with humus or compost. Perform routine maintenance for plants to grow well. So we are discussing about how to plant philodendron plants in pots as ornamental plants at home. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.